Welcome to Ridzi. In last session we discussed the equation of a circle when 3 points of a triangle is given. Now we are going to learn the new concept that is concyclic points. The concept name is here concyclic points. Concyclic points are nothing but when 4 points, a points A, B, C and D are lies on a circle, then these 4 points are called concyclic here. When A, B, C and D points are lies on a circle, then these 3 points are called concyclic points. Let us see some condition for concyclic points here. The first one is when two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal 0, these two lines intersect the coordinate axis at 4 distinct points. From those 4 distinct points, if we frame a circle, then the condition we have, that is a concyclic condition. For example, I am drawing coordinate axis here. Here this is a line and this one is a line. These two lines, this is L1 is equal 0 and this is L2 is equal 0, and these two lines intersect the coordinate axis at 4 distinct points. At 4 distinct points, from these 4 distinct points, if we draw a circle, this circle contains 4 distinct points here. These 4 distinct points A, B, C, D are concyclic points here. Here L1, L2 is equal 0. L1 is nothing but A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal 0. These are the two lines here. These two lines intersect the coordinate axis at 4 distinct points. From those 4 points, if we construct a circle, that circle contains 4 points. These 4 points are called concyclic here. And the first condition here, L1 is equal 0 and L2 is equal 0. Here L1 is nothing but A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal 0. This is L1 and L2 is equal 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal 0. This is one more line. Two lines are intersecting at 4 distinct points. Those are A, B, C and D. Then the 4 points are concyclic is nothing but the condition of concyclic here, A1 into A2 is equal to B1 into B2. This is the condition for these two lines are concyclic here. If A1 equal to A1 into A2 is equal to B1 into B2, then if this condition satisfied, then these two lines are concyclic here. This is the property 1 here, and the second property here, the equation of concyclic. If you want to find the equation of concyclic when L1 is equal 0 and L2 is equal 0 is given, where L1 is equal to A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal 0. Next L2 is equal A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal 0. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. From these two linear equations intersect the coordinate axis at 4 distinct points. From those 4 distinct points, these 4 points are lies on a same circle. For that condition, For that condition we need to frame a equation here. That equation is That equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 minus of a1 a2 a1 b2 plus b2 a1 b1 a2 into xy is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle when two lines of a concyclic points are given. When two lines intersect the coordinate at four distinct points, these two lines, when two lines are given, then you need, if you want to find the equation of this circle, the equation of circle, general form of this circle is here a1x plus b1y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 minus of a1 a2 plus b1 a2 next into xy is equal to 0. This is the equation of circle when two lines of a concyclic points are given here. This is all about. Let us see one example here. Find the value of k. Example here. Find the value of k when the two lines are concyclic, when the two lines are concyclic and the two lines are here x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0. 3x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0. Here these two lines are given here. These two lines are concyclic. Given lines are concyclic here. Given the solution is given lines are concyclic. If they are concyclic, what is the condition here? The concyclic condition, the condition is a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2. This is the condition here. This is the condition here. If you compare these two equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then we will get a1 is equal, if you substitute the a1 a2 value and b1 b2 value, then we will get the value of k here. a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 2, b2 is equal to k. Let us substitute these four values in the condition given here. a1 a2 1 into 3 is equal minus 2 into k. 2 3 ja 1 into 3 3 and minus 2 into k here. We want to find k value here. That implies k is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the value of k here. a1 a2, if you substitute a1 a2 values and b1 b2 values here, then if you substitute these four values in the condition, we will get the value of k here. This is about one of the example of concyclic point, and this is a bit level question. And the next one, find the value of k find the value of k when 4 points of a concyclic is given. Next, the points are here. Root 29 comma 0. This is first point, and the second point B is 5 comma 2 and C is 2 comma minus 5, and finally D is minus 1 comma k. These are the 4 points here, A, B, C, D. When the solution is here when 4 points are concyclic, 4 points are concyclic to coordinate axis, every distance from origin O 0, 0. Here OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. Why? Because here this is a concyclic point. These are concyclic points. The distance between center to any point is always equal. Why? Because the radius in a circle is always equal. That's why OA, OB, OC are equal. Let's find OB. I am finding OB here and as well as OD here. OB and OD. You can take OA, OD, OB, OD, OC, OD also. You can take any one of the possibility here. OB and OD both are equal. Why? Because they are radius. Radius in a circle always it is equal. Next, OA, OB, square root of OA, OB. Why? X2 minus X1. X2 minus X1 is nothing but this is X1, this is Y1. This is X1, this is X1, Y1. Why? Because I am taking for this is OC, this is for OB, this is for OD. You can take C1 also. And 0 minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. Here 0 minus of minus 1, 0 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus k whole square. Next, 5 square is nothing but 25. 4 minus 2 whole square is nothing but 4. That equal to 0 minus 1 square, 0 1 square plus k square is nothing but k square. And squaring on both sides. Here root 29 that equals 1 plus k square. Squaring on both sides. So 29 is equal to 1 plus k square. Here we want only k value. So I am sending this one to right hand side. K square is equal to 29 minus 1. K square is equal to 28. And here k implies square root of 28. This is the value of k here. This is the finding the value of k here. Find the value of k when 4 points of a concyclic is given. Here first point and second point, third point and fourth point. From those 4 points, the radius is always in a circle. Here OA, OB, OC, OD. I am taking OB and OD. You can take OC, OD and OA, OD also. I am taking OA, OB, OD. So you can take any one of the possibility. This is the solution to find the value of k. And the next model is when find the equation of circle when two lines of a concyclic is given, that is equal L1 is equal 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal 0 and L2 is equal to 3x plus 4y plus minus 2 is equal 0. This is the L1, this is the L2. Let's find the solution is here given that L1 is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal 0 and L2 is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 2 is equal 0. And the equation of circle here, the equation of circle is here, and let's substitute the value of here. The formula a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 minus of a1 b2 a2 b1 into xy that is equal 0. This is the equation of circle here. Let's substitute the value of a1, a2 and the linear equations. 2x plus 3y plus 5 into 3x plus 4y minus 2 minus of a1 b2 a1 and b2 a1 b2 12 plus a2 b1 9 into xy that is equal 0. Let's multiply the terms here. 2 into 2 3 just 6x square. Next 12xy that is nothing but 2 4 8xy and minus 4x and 3xy 3 3 9xy 3 3 9xy 3 4 12xy square and minus 6y. Next 15x 5 4 20y 5 2 10 minus here 12 plus 9 that is nothing but 18 21 minus 21 xy is equal 0. Next 6x square 12y square I am writing terms together here and 8xy 9xy 8 plus 9 17 8 plus 9 17 minus 21 minus 4xy and minus 4x plus 15x is nothing but plus 11x. Next minus 6y plus 20y plus 14y. Next finally minus 10. This is equal 0. The equation of circle of a two lines is given. This is all about the concentric point here. Here the next concept is maximum and minimum distance from a point to a circle. The concept is maximum and minimum distance from a point to the circle. Here a maximum and minimum distance from a point to a circle. Let S is equal 0 be a circle. Let S is equal 0 be a circle. Here I am taking one circle. This is a circle here I am taking. So this is the center and center I am denoting as C here, and here the concept is maximum and minimum. Here maximum and minimum. I am taking diameter that is equal A and B points on a circle here, and a point is somewhere outside of the circle. Here I am taking, this is the point P here. This point P is x comma y and C is the center, minus G comma minus F, and A and B are end points of a diameter here. Here the maximum distance is the minimum distance. First if you want to take minimum distance to a circle is nothing but here CP modulus of CP minus R, modulus of CP minus, this is nothing but this is radius, PA is equal to PA. Here PA distance is equal to CP minus R. CP minus R will get the shortest distance. This is the minimum distance order. The distance between PA, this is the minimum distance PA to the circle, and PA is equal to mod of CP. CP is nothing but the distance of center to the point P to subtracted by the radius r is given to the circle, and the maximum distance of the circle, maximum distance is here PB. This is the maximum distance here, PB. PB is nothing but CP modulus of CP plus R. Here CP plus radius, then we will get the distance of maximum distance of PB here. This is all about the minimum distance from a point to a circle, and this is the maximum distance from a point to a circle. Here PA is the distance of shortest one, here PB is the distance of largest one. CP is nothing but distance to the point, center to the point here, the distance of center to point, and R is a radius of circle. Here also the same. Here negative symbol, here positive symbol. This is a minimum and this is a maximum one. Let us discuss some examples on this. Find the maximum distance from a circle that is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and the point is minus from a point minus 3 comma 2. Find the maximum distance from a circle. This is a circle equation from a point 3 comma minus 3 comma 2. The solution is equal to here the given equation is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. From this equation, center value, center is nothing but minus g comma minus f. Here g is equal to 2g is equal to minus 2, 2f is equal to 2. 2 get cancelled, g is equal to minus 2, minus g is nothing but plus 2, and f 2 get cancelled, f is equal to 1 here, minus f is equal to minus 1. So the center is 2 comma minus 1 here, and the c value is equal to 1. C is 1. If you compare x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of equation here, general form of circle equation here. From this equation I am finding center and c1. See here, the radius we need to find here. Radius is nothing but g square plus f square minus c here. G square is nothing but here 2 square plus f is nothing but minus 1 whole square, and minus c is nothing but 1 here. 4 plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 4. 4 is nothing but here 4 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 4 is nothing but square root of 2. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2. This is r here. Next, we want to find the maximum distance. Maximum distance is nothing but, here I am taking circle. This is the center. This is the point P. This is A and this is B. And CP plus R. PB is equal to CP plus R. PB is equal to CP plus R here. CP is nothing but distance to center to point is given here. Plus R we got, that is equal to CP. CP distance is nothing but here CP. The distance of CP here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. Here 2 minus minus 3 ante here 2 plus 3 whole square and minus 1 minus 2 whole square, minus 1 minus 2 whole square. 2 minus half minus 3 plus is 5, that is 5 whole square. This is minus 3 whole square. Here 25 plus 9, that is nothing but root of 34 here this is CP distance here. Distance is CP here, root 34 plus 2. This is a distance of maximum distance to a circle to a point here. This is all about the maximum and minimum distance, and the last concept is the equation of a concyclic point and the condition for concyclic point. This is all about concyclic points and the equation of a circle and condition and maximum and minimum distance of a circle here. Thank you once again.